Film accounting and auditing, basic level. Okay, so I've taken the definition from the AICPA/NASBA statement. Basic, learning activity level most beneficial to CPAs new to a skill or an attribute. These individuals are often at the staff or entry level in organizations. So we're talking about film accounting and auditing at an entry level, a staff level. Although such programs may also benefit a seasoned professional with limited exposure to the area. Okay, so what's my learning objective here? Let's go down. So I want the participant to be familiarized with film production accounting forms, processes, and control points of a usual film production. With this knowledge, the participant will be up to speed with the books and records of a usual film or television production before starting the tax credit audit for the state. Okay, how do I do that? Well, I break this into 3 parts, and again, each part has several sections. And in here, in part 1, I do film accounting, and we also look at the film budget, and we look at the cost report. So this is a pretty full part here. I want to orient everyone before they get to the forms and control points. So I go through the budget, the cost report, and the general ledger in film production. And after each subsection here, I have a video, and again, it's just one professional talking to another, narratively the same way I'm talking to you. We go through the material that follows. And then after the video, you can go through the material yourself and reinforce what we discussed. And then part 2, I get into processing accounts payable in film production. And we talk about things like the purchase order and the invoice process, things like that, check requests. And then part 3 is processing petty cash, which is huge in the film business. I mean, on a $20 million show, you might have $50,000 a week in petty cash. It's big. We also review payroll in film production, which is a big audit feature, and journal entries. And again, every single section or subsection has videos and things like that with all the backup. Now, at the end of each part, we have a test to keep everyone awake, and at the end, we have a final exam. Now, there was so much reference material in the basic course that I have a full reference page on the web. I put it there, and it shows all the reference material by section. So we have all the reference material on film budgets and purchase orders, check requests, check running, petty cash, cast and crew payroll forms. And then I use these expenditure tracking tags, they're called in the film business, which we learn about in the course, and I have examples of what's used in the state of Connecticut and the state of California, things like that. So you get familiarized with all the forms and the processes and the control points and see how it works. The whole navigation video here tells you how to get your certificate at the end and how to get your way through the course. All right, thank you for taking the time to review this course.